If you want to make money writing, do not write a book. I say it again. If you want to make money writing, do not write a book. I didn't say do not write, but don't write a book. The question will be, what would I write then? Well, I have some update for you. Now, this particular video is for authors, writers, and digital content creators. I've done a video on this earlier. That's about a few weeks ago. So this one is just an update. On the other video I did, I told you that there are setups required if you want to keep selling your products. And by that, I don't just mean your books, I mean also any digital product at all, like a video. Okay, for instance, I have a training on TikTok ad, all videos. Okay, I'm using this method I'm sharing with you now to sell that product, and I'm selling every day. Okay, and I also have other products like that. Okay, any product that can be delivered through the online medium, this will help you with it. Okay, so if you have struggled with Amazon, KDP, or any other platform, this one is the one you can control on your own. So I said it's for authors, writers, and digital content creators. So first of all, I have this here. Okay, it's a new launch, Write to Sell. Right? Remember, I just told you, if you want to make money writing, don't write a book. So in this training, I'll be sharing with you what exactly to write for you to sell. It's not everything written that sells. Okay, I'll be walking you through a 3-step framework. You create, you launch, and then thirdly you deliver. For the create, we have the 6-figure content mastery method. Okay, here I'll be sharing with you, whether you are a newbie or not, I'll be sharing with you 5-step technique that can help you to create amazing content that sell in any niche, even if you have no expertise in that niche. Okay, in any niche at all. Okay, it's something I've proven. I've worked out of my area of training to create something that makes me 6-figure. In fact, that was the first work that produced a 6-figure income for me. Many people meet me and they say, oh, I have this book, can you help me market? I can't lie to you, I won't help you. Not because I don't want to help, but you see, if you are already done creating that book, what you call book, okay, you have limited the chances of it selling, or of somebody who wants to help you to sell it, if you didn't factor in the 5 points that I'll be showing you here. Okay, if those were not factored in, you will struggle to market that thing you call a book. I'm not saying that your book doesn't make sense, neither am I saying that it is not well edited or packaged. That's not what I'm saying. Okay, but you need to understand, of course, when you come to the training, you understand why I said if you want to make money writing, do not write a book, especially if you are from this part of the world, Africa. I'm going to be showing you a part A again to this launch setup. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the part A using the seller platform, but there is a part B to this, which is only for my student. Okay, so let me not speak more on that. So the third point here, or the third step here in the framework, is the delivery. This also is as important as every other thing we are discussing here. The method I'm going to be sharing with you will help you to secure your digital product. Okay, I'm going to be sharing 2 keys you can use to secure that product, so you are not afraid of sharing it with people, because you know for sure that this cannot be copied by anybody. So that's what the delivery is about. Okay, not just the system that works, but how it can also protect you, so that you don't just release whatever you have got to release, and then somebody hijacks it and then start making something out of it while you, the owner, suffers. Okay, so the 3-step framework, the create, the launch, and the delivery, I'm going to be sharing all those with you. So you can come to this page, and I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Okay, now as a bonus, I'll be giving you this is ISBN in seconds. Okay, I'll be giving you a copy of my ISBN guide. Okay, this guide will help you to know how to create accounts with the National Library of Nigeria, whether you are an author or a publisher, and then how to request your first and your subsequent ISBNs. Okay, so there is something you need to do after you've requested your first ISBN, which from my method you will be able to get after you've created the account in seconds. Okay, I help people run this, but if I run it for you, it will cost you more. So I prepared a guide for you to just follow and get it. So beyond that, you will be getting a video on how to also create this. That's the ISBN barcode. That means you wouldn't need to pay the National Library to get this. So I'm going to share with you how to get this yourself in few seconds. Okay, so this is a bonus to the right to sell product, our new launch. Okay, this is a bonus to that. Okay, so let's dive straight into what we have to do today. I told you I've done a video on this before, and I want to now walk you through it again. In case you didn't see that first video, this will help you. Okay, so I'm creating this for a client, and I want you to see how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to go to the seller platform. Seller is SELAR, okay, .com. So that's where we're heading to now. All right, so this is the seller platform. Okay, and we want to create an account. Like I said in the first video on this, there are 3 types of accounts: creator account, affiliate account, and then the customer account. Okay, but all you need to do is to create one, and then you have access, you'll be able to have access to the rest. Okay, so let's here it says login, but we don't have an account. Let's suppose we don't have an account yet, so we go to start selling. So click here. Of course, you know that your internet has to be on. Okay, now this is a 3-step process, as you can see from here. Okay, the first process is where we are. By the time we are done with here, we get here, then we get here. So I have to fill in the name and the details. Okay, once we are done, we'll now get to the next step. So let me quickly do that. All right, so I'm done with this first stage. So I scroll down. I hope I have put everything. Okay, I need to repeat the password. I copy it and I still paste it here. Okay, then I'll click on this place. So agree. Okay, then it says create account. All right, we should be on the second stage now. Okay, so now you say, how do you plan to use seller? So here we are going to select, like I told you, there is creator account, affiliate account, and then customer. In this case, because we want to publish our digital product, so we go with creator account. Okay, and so we scroll down and then continue as a creator. All right, so it comes up with this. We need to fill up this, so I'll quickly fill up that and then save. Okay, so let me quickly do that. All right, let me show you this. They are giving one in here, so the phone number has to come in this sequence 234. Okay, if you are from Nigeria. Okay, so the country code must appear first on the phone number. Okay, so I just needed to call your attention to that. Once you are done filling all these other ones, just down here you put the phone number, then you save after you put the gender and your date of birth, right? All right, so we are done with that stage. What remains at this point in time is to confirm our email. Okay, so go to our email and confirm this, right? So once we confirm it, we can now start adding products after we have also added bank details. Okay, so let me work on bank detail before I now confirm the email. Okay, so once you are done adding your bank details, you can click here to verify the detail. Okay, be sure is the account, because that's where they will be sending your money as you sell. Okay, so that's the name. I've confirmed, that's it. Okay, so once we've confirmed, we'll hit on continue. Okay, yes, click OK. So we'll save this. What remains here now is to verify our email. Okay, so we are going to do that right away. All right, so we are clicking on the verification email. Okay, so let's go down so you see it. That's it here. Confirm your email. So you see the email has been confirmed, so that notification has cleared. Okay, so we are done. Now if you want people to show you love, maybe your content is top notch and people are enjoying it and they want to gift you, you can set up this, but this will be for another day. So what we'll do is come to add product. Okay, but if you scroll up and click here now, you will now see that there is affiliate profile and there is customer profile. Okay, meanwhile it was only creator profile or account that we created. Like I told you, once you create one, they will now gift you the others. So you will still do some little work here, but already they will appear here. Okay, so you click here for it to disappear. So sorry, so let's scroll down and go to add product. So our account is set up, the bank account is there in case we make sales. They will pay us the next day Okay, the next working day. So it's digital products. So click on next on digital products. Okay. So the good thing again about this seller is that even people that want to buy in dollars can still use it. So the first thing I'll do here is to bring in a design I've done for the display here. Okay, so I'll go to my download area to bring in this. Yeah, so I have to do something that will cover the space needed. Okay, so this is the noise. The title is the noise of a silent love. Okay, so we'll put other details much later, but quickly we put a price here. This will be the discounted price. So in naira, let's just say is 4,900. Okay, let's put that, but then let's write the price here and put the original price to be something like 10,000 naira, or let's say 8,500 naira. Okay, so but this is the discounted price. So the other currencies will take effect anytime people want to buy from outside Nigeria. Okay, so here I can put the details, but I don't have the details to put now, so let me just quickly carry this and put for now. Okay, so we scroll down. What type of category? What category is this? So we go to this should be love and relationship, though I know this is fiction or something, but let's put it to romance for now. Okay, and then we scroll down further. Come in here. Normally I don't want to give people access to the file, so I want to send them to a place where they will take it. Okay, so for now I'll just click here to automatically redirect them to somewhere. So let me just put a WhatsApp number for now here. Okay, so after anybody makes payment for the book, they will be redirected to this WhatsApp number for now. Okay, but we'll do a proper setup to add a link here that would launch them to where they would get the book without having to get through WhatsApp. Okay, so let's continue. We're saving it now. It's almost done. Almost done. Almost done. All right, so we are done creating this. Okay, so see the link here. Now you notice that the extension of this link is something funny, 910H4G. Okay, so those in my class, I already did a video on how you can customize this extension. Okay, so that you can remove this and put something that is reasonable, that makes sense. Okay, so that people don't think this is a scam, right? But let's just open this link and see what it looks like. Let's paste it here. Alright, so you can see what it looks like. We are here to add more details here, but already you can see what it looks like, so the person can purchase. So behind the scene, I'll finish up with this. Okay, so I think that's where we'll be stopping it for now. You can check the first video I did on this. I think it's more detailed than this one. Okay, check it. Okay, is the video you see up here now. Okay, so check it if you want to see more details about this, right? But there is a part B of this video that I did for my students. Okay, it covers how to customize the link, okay, the seller link here, right here on seller. Okay, so that it looks reasonable, not like a scam. Secondly, it covers how to set up this your digital product, your book, whatever digital product you are marketing, such that people can pay directly into your bank account and still come here and pick it up. Okay, it helps you to track every sale of your digital product. Okay, so don't forget about right to sell, or get yourself into the class before the price goes up. So we are discounting for now, and once you get this, you'll get a free copy of this, okay, to guide you on how to get your ISBN and what to do after getting that ISBN so that you can keep getting it. I mean, how to get it online without visiting the National Library of Nigeria. and then what to do to be sure that you keep getting it over and over again. So I'll see you in class. For those of you that will be joining the class, here to decide on that, there's no problem. Just go ahead to explore other content we have on this channel. But before you go, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I will personally alert you when next I upload a video like this. See you in the next upload.